So here's questions where we have what are called index equations, or an equation that has an indice in it, or an exponent. So something like 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. What we have to do with all of these questions is we have to get them both into the same base number, and it's pretty much always the lower one. So let's have a look at changing 4 into 2. It would have to be 2 to the power of 2 to not change its value. So you can see 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 2. So x equals 2. So just a really simple start. For 3 to the power of x equals 81, we can say 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 4. Therefore, x equals 4. 3 to the power of x equals 27. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. X equals 3. How many zeros have I got? That will tell me what the power is. 4 zeros. 10 to the power of 4. X is 4. We know 5 to the power of 3, because you've learnt them off, is 125. X is 3. 6 to the power of 3 is 216. You've learnt that off as well. I have 3 zeros, so that's 10 to the power of 3. 7 squared is 49. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. And 3 to the power of 6 is 729. Okay, nice and easy. You're telling me these are too easy. 9 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So let's try and change 9 into 3 to the power of something. So 9 is 3 squared. That's the 9 part of 9 to the power of x, but we still have the x there. So now I haven't changed the value. That's equal to 3 to the power of 4. So now one extra step, we have to say 2x is 4. So x is 2. Let's check that. Is 9 squared equal to 3 to the power of 4? 81 is equal to 81. So yes, that would be verify your answer. If you're asked to verify, that's all you do. Just stick your answer back into the question. Okay, now in this case it's not the lower one. We have to change both of them. So 2 will definitely work for us. 2 squared is equal to 4. So the x stays up as the power. So the 2 squared is the 4, and the x is still up at the power. The 2 has joined it. And 8 squared is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2, which is a multiply rule. So we're going to get 2 to the power of 2x equals 2 to the power of 6. So 2x is 6. You can see x is 3 anyway, but write down the last couple of lines. 5 to the power of x is equal to 25 squared. 5 to the power of x equals 5 squared, and the squared stays there. So 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 4. So x is 4. 10 to the power of x is equal to 100 cubed. 10 to the power of x is equal to 100 cubed. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 10. 100 is 10 to be squared. And then the 3 stays there. So we have 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of 6. So x is equal to 6. So now we're on to E. 11 to the power of x is equal to 121 to the power of 5. So you should identify that 121 is 11 to be squared, and the 5 stays there. I don't need the brackets on the 11. So that's 11 to the power of 10. So you can see here x equals 10. 2 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of 5. Well, 16, I'll change it here. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. If you haven't learned that off by now, you need to, because you can see that you can just write them out like this really quickly. 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 20. So x is 20. 4 to the power of 2x is equal to 8 to the power of 3. So these are going to have to go down to 2's. So 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So I've taken the 4 apart, so I still have 2x as the power. So put it there, 2x. equals 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So that's the 8 taken care of, but I still have the other 3 up there. So I get 2 to the power of 4x is 2 to the power of 9. So just use your algebra skills. 4x equals 9, x equals 9 over 4. Now 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 27 to the power of 2. 27 is 3 to the power of 3, and the 2 stays there. So we're going to get 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 6. 3x equals 6, x equals 2. And then there's 2 more here. 4 to the power of 5x is equal to 8 to the power of 5. Your simple rules. What's 4? 4 is 2 to the power of 2. And that 5x is not moving. What's 8? 2 to the power of 3. And that 5 is not moving. 2 to the power of 10x is equal to 2 to the power of 15. 10x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 over 10. 1.5 or 3 over 2. Whatever you prefer, or whatever you're told to do. Now we have a to the power of 2x. A to the power of 2x equals a to the power of 2 to the power of 3. Well, we change that to 8 to the power of 6. So this actually works out quite quickly. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. So they're just putting a in instead of a number. Some people will find that more difficult, but it's the same rules, so just keep the rules simple. Apply your basic knowledge of indices and move forward onto the next index equation video.